Math in 3 with Mrs. Z.
This video is about solving two-step equations. This video is about solving two-step equations. Just like one-step equation, our goal is to isolate the variable being the letter that's in the equation. A solution is a number or a value for that variable. And just like one steps, we can always check our answer by plugging back in. When we did one-step equations, we used our inverse operations. We are still going to use inverse operations. So if we see a plus sign, we'll use a minus sign to undo it. If we see a minus sign, we'll use a plus sign. Multiplication, we'll use division. Division, we'll use multiplication. I always think about this like a reverse PEMDAS. So when we're solving, we're doing in the opposite order. We're going to undo addition and subtraction first, then we'll undo multiplication and division. We need to make sure that we always keep a balanced equation. All right, so taking a look at this problem, this first 5 is addition, whereas this 3 times x is multiplication. So we are going to undo the addition first, then we'll undo the multiplication. So if we have 5 plus 3x is equal to 29, we'll use the inverse operation of minusing 5 from both sides. That will give us 3x is equal to 24. Our second step is that we're going to undo the multiplication. We use division. So 3 times x is equal to 24. We will divide both sides by 24. That's going to leave us with x is equal to 8. We can plug that back in to check our answer. Take a look at a second example. Here we have multiplication. Here we have subtraction. So we will first undo the subtraction. We will second undo the multiplication. The inverse of subtraction is addition. We are making sure that we keep a balanced equation by adding the 4 on both sides of the equal sign. Then we're going to undo this multiplication with division. Again, we do it to both sides to make sure that we keep a balanced equation. One more example. Here we have subtraction, and here we have division. So first we will do subtraction, undo that. Second, we will undo the division. So x divided by 4 minus 2 is equal to 5. The inverse to subtraction is addition. So x divided by 4 is equal to 7. Remember, when we undo this division, we have to multiply the x to undo it by that 4. And then we'll multiply the right-hand side as well. Multiplying by 4 and dividing by 4 is a 1 pair. So x is equal to 28. That's how you solve two-step equations.
This was Math in 3 with Mrs. Z. Please like and subscribe below. Thanks.